So I'm going to show you the quick way, because people told me that they went on the website just to order the filter. It takes a long time for it to come, and also they can't find the bandana. So I cut it out from my bed sheet that I didn't use. It's brand new. So this is 19 by 19, so you can start from 19 to 19 to 21 by 21. You can get the coffee filter from the Dollar Tree. This is the coffee filter I have in the house. It's coming with a pack like this. So you can go to Dollar Tree. They have plenty over there now. It's like this, and then you have to cut this end out. So you cut this end out, and then you open it. You face the right side of the bandana out, and then you place it right in the middle, just like this. So you place it right in the middle. I show you the two ways to do. So you're gonna fold this right in the middle, just like this. And then the other one, you're gonna fold right in the middle. Fold in the middle. This one fold in the middle, just like this. And then you're gonna fold this side in, just like this. This side in. And remember, I've been using my pantyhose, so I'm going to cut about 1 inch, and I need 2. I need 2. So after I cut, I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna stretch it a little bit. Twist number 8. Get your finger in the other side and pull, and then you have a knot right there. Cause the pantyhose is stretchy. You don't want it too loose in the ear. And also the same thing to the other one. You're gonna stretch, and then take that out like this. Very stretchy. Then you pull. Then you have another knot right here. So you get 2. Now you're gonna place it the 2 sides. You're gonna place the knot side in. So from here to here, you're gonna leave about like 6 inches. So you're gonna fold this. You're gonna fold this in. Make sure you put the knot where you tie the pantyhose inside. Same thing to the other one. And then you stuck that inside this one. Look like. So this is it. Something like this you can wear. Say this way. And I also make the adapter so you can put behind your head, and then you pull this 2 sides to keep the bandana in place. If you don't know how to use the adapter, check my other video. I show you how to make one, and that will keep the bandana in place and never fall down. The other way you can fold is, if you don't have a coffee filter and you have tissue paper at home, you can use that also. You can get about 2 tissue paper. You're gonna fold 3 times, and then you're gonna place the same way that we placed earlier, right across like that. And then this side in the middle, this side in the middle, and this side in, this side in. See how easy that is? Before you fold, place the pantyhose that I just made. Instead of the elastic, when you use the elastic, it twists around, it will come right out. So it won't hold it. So if you have pantyhose or you have the sock, you can cut out the sock and use it as the elastic. There we go. Now you have the other one with the tissue. How simple that is. You don't need to go out and buy the filter. Just use a coffee filter or tissue paper. That's it. Quick and easy. And the adapter, something that to keep the bandana in place, or any head, any face mask. Very handy, and also it won't hurt your ear. So, and also if you want to make the adapter, that will keep the bandana stay really well. So that's what you need to do. You're gonna go in the back of your head, pull it over, click it on the bottom, this side too. That will go around your ear, go on the back, go around your ear, go on the back. You it's easy to breathe. It's actually perfect.